relationship. If the objects are in master detail relationship, MD relationship, then the sharing rule settings, sharing rules for child object will be controlled by parent sharing rules. Parent sharing rules. So if the child object is here, then if the objects are in master detail relationship, then this will not get own sharing rules. It is dependent on parent sharing rules. Child will be dependent on parent sharing rules. Clear? So whenever someone says like, can you able to create a master detail relationship on a particular objects when they are in master detail relationship, and your answer always try to know if the object is a child object to any of the other object. Okay. Now let's say in our case you can see what is the child object? Dealer is a child object to location, isn't it? Dealer is a child object to the location. Now I'm going to object manager. I'll go to the dealer object. I'll go to dealer object. I'll go to dealer object. In that custom fields, I'll show we have a location name. We have a location name which is a master detail. Now what Sunil is asking me? Sunil is asking me to create a sharing rules on location on a dealer object. Now if I choose my dealer here, let's say, where is dealer? Yeah, here. If I choose my dealer, now you can see there is no new. You cannot create a sharing rules for this item. Why? Because this was controlling by a parent object, controlled by a parent object. Clear?
Yes, Deepak.
Yeah. Whenever the objects are in master detail relationship, then you can't control. But we also should know another important thing. Anyway, we are here. Let me go to object manager. How many types of relationships we have? We have master detail, right? We have master detail. We have lookup. We have lookup, and we have external object lookup, right? External lookup is nothing but if you want to create a lookup to external table, then you need to use. And also we have hierarchy relationship. We also have, yesterday when we are doing approval process, then we got something like hierarchy fields, right?
Yes.
Yeah. What is hierarchy? Hierarchy custom field can only be creatable in one object in Salesforce called user object. In user object alone, you itself you can able to create a hierarchy relationship. In user object, you can't create a master detail and lookup. That's an interesting thing that we should know. Oh, I logged in as this user. Okay, let me go off from here. Log out. Log out. No. Got logged out everywhere. In user object, you can able to create hierarchy relationships. Nowhere else you can able to create. What the hell is this? Setup. Go to object manager. We have two object managers. One is if you go users here, you can able to see only user informations. If you go here, you can able to modify your user object fields. User fields and relationships. Here you can create new. You can also create a new fields in user object. You can see only one relationship field called hierarchy. What is called? Hierarchy. Hierarchy relationship is something like, hey, just a new user. Who is my boss? I need to choose my manager. I need to choose my delegate provider, delegate person. If I'm absent, who is available? So all these are, which is allows to click a lookup icon and select another user from the pop-up list. You can able to create a hierarchy within the user object. You can't create any other relationships in user object. Okay, this is also important that you should remember for an interview purpose. If someone asks, hey, I wanted to create a lookup relation between the custom object and user object, just to which is not possible. They need to create a text field and they need to write a triggers on it. Custom code to check whether this is updated or not. Clear? Field label, I will say report to child relationship name, report to. Next, let's say visible all. Next, save. Now if we go to users, by default you don't get anything, but the record can be shared. Let's say if I edit Nikhil, I can choose reporting to. I can't choose Nikhil again because it's a hierarchical error, right? Nikhil cannot report to Nikhil himself, isn't it? If I try to say, you can see hierarchy constraint validation. So it always checks hierarchy. Let's say I made like a here. Nikhil is reporting to Sunil. Sunil is reporting to salesman. Salesman is reporting to Nikhil. Is that possible? Possible or not possible? Nikhil to sales, Sunil, Sunil to sales, salesman to Nikhil again. Even this, the hierarchy will come error because it should go upper, it should not come down. Even Nikhil is reporting to Sunil, but salesman should not report back to Nikhil. Clear?
Yes, Deepak.
Yeah. Now I'll do the same. Nikhil is reporting to Sunil. Nikhil is reporting to Sunil. Save. Now Sunil is reporting to salesman. Sunil is reporting to salesman. Now salesman will gonna report to Nikhil. This the question comes whether it will save or it will fail. It will save or it will fail. You cannot set a hierarchy field to point itself for a child record, right? Now it is happening indirectly. It is saying because they are in hierarchy, it is showing up the error, right? Now here I will say Nikhil is reporting to Lakshmi Deepak. I'll go to users. I'll open my Nikhil. Reporting to Sunil. Clear? So where you can create hierarchy relationships, we can create hierarchy relationship only in user object. Only